Hi, I'm Martin from TileMaster, Technical Director here at Head Office, and I'll be one of the trainers that takes you through the 2-day hard floor course when you come in a couple of weeks. Okay, so firstly I'd like to thank you for booking on the course, and I hope you're as excited as we are for you to start your hard floor cleaning journey. Okay, so I'd like to just give you a few pointers and a few steps in the right direction so you get the most out of the course. So the first thing that you need to do is understand the market or the type of work that you want to go after once you leave here after the 2 days. Okay, so you might be a carpet cleaner just looking to add on hard floor cleaning, so you're doing 70-80% carpet, and you might want to upsell a kitchen floor, a hallway, where all you're doing is you're trying to use hard floors to just add and upsell to increase your average job ticket in every house. Okay, we have other people that come and their aim is to predominantly get hard floors to take over on carpet cleaning and really move the business to 70-80% hard floors and only about 10% of carpets. Okay, so these people, they might be saying that they've got a lot of low-end, cheaper guys in their area. They're struggling to compete on price, and what they want to do is just bring the hard floor side in, get better job tickets, and actually move the business more into the hard floor side of things. Okay, we then got other people that just want to 100% set up a new van or set up a new division within the company where all they're doing is hard floors. Okay, so depending on which type of work you want to do will depend on the level of equipment you need, the level of knowledge, and how much you want to invest into the hard floor side of cleaning. Okay, so depending on how much work you need to do, how much money you need to do to make your hard floor cleaning business profitable will also depend on the type of work that you're taking on. So we have there's such a wide range of work that you can do, but we've got lots of stuff that we call like the bread and butter. It's money for old rope. So your ceramic and porcelain cleaning, your Carandine, vinyl, LVT cleaning. Don't worry if you don't understand these terms, because when you leave after the second day, you'll 100% know what these materials are and also how to work and deal with them. But there's things like vinyl, safety floor, they're very easy to work on. It's just cleaning, it's very quick, in and out, and it can be good money. Okay, limited stress. Yeah, so we call that's like the bread and butter stuff, the easiest work out there to do. Okay, next you start moving up the ladder. So we might start doing the stripping of slate floors, of stone floors. Yeah, we might start doing a bit of marble polishing with diamond pads, removing a few scratches or light scuff marks. Okay, ceiling tiles. So this is like intermediate kind of work. This kind of work, the job ticket is much better. You might be between £20-25 a square metre. You would be moving, if you're doing sort of 40-50 square metres of marble, you know, that kind of money. It's potentially a good day rate, but you're also moving into maybe more higher end houses, so you've got complications that come with that, with working around expensive kitchens. So a little bit more stress, you've got to go a little bit slower. It's not in and out work, but the job ticket dictates that. Okay, so that's like intermediate level. Then you've got the higher end stuff, which we would call the full restoration. So that's real sort of marble polishing, grinding. There's lots of other services like scratch removal, things like that. Okay, so that work again is more of a niche market. There won't really be much competition in your area, but you know, you're looking at sort of £40 a square metre. So the low end is maybe £10 for cleaning per square metre. The intermediate work is around 20-25, and then the high-end specialist stuff is £40-50 per square metre. Okay, so as you move up the ladder, you need to invest in more equipment, and also invest in more knowledge, okay? And the more we move up, the higher the job ticket, the higher the stress, essentially. Okay, then there's what we call the devil zone, okay? So the services out there, like granite worktop restoration, polishing, say a porcelain tile, these jobs, you know, removing a yacht varnish off a Yorkstone floor, these jobs can be very profitable, but most chances are you'll probably lose money, okay? We can advise you where the easy money is to make, where the best way is to take your business, okay? But if you go away and you choose to do the devil work, yeah, in that zone, then, you know, you have to take the stress and the losses and the return visits and everything that come with that. But we can guide you where the best work is, where the best way to make money with your business based on the equipment that you've got now or based on where you want to see it in the next few years, okay? But it's up to you, so have a good think. And one other thing I would say is try and read up. I'll send some links below. Try and read up as much as you can, different types of tiles, different types of surfaces, get into some tile shops, things like that. Just get a little bit of knowledge, because the training is super intense, okay? It's a really intense 2 days. We've got a lot of theory stuff to cover upstairs. We want to get through that as quick as we can and then get down here, get the hands-on action in the training room, okay? So the more prepared you can be, the better it is. And one last thing, if you can, if based on, you know, it's based on childcare, based on travel, stuff like that, budgets, but if you can get up here the night before, we recommend staying in the Alma Lodge. If you can do that, get a good night's sleep and arrive here on a Wednesday morning, fresh, ready to go, a little bit of knowledge in your pocket, a little bit of an idea of where you want to take your business, you're going to take so much more from this training course than people that leave at 3 in the morning, they turn up half asleep on the first day, they're falling asleep by lunchtime, you're just not taking the information in, and then you're just not getting as much as you possibly can out of the training course. So, any questions, feel free to get in touch. Like I say, I'll put some good links and references below. If you want to have a chat before you come about your business, where you want to take it, what you want to take from the 2 days, no problem at all. Get in touch with me, I'm Martin. You can speak to Alex or you can speak to Lee in the office. Give us a call and we'll be happy to help. But really looking forward to meeting you guys and looking forward to a really good 2 days. Okay, anything else? Sorry I've rambled on, but yeah, we'll be in touch and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks guys.